ready to unlock a world of opportunity and connect with your international clients like never before. In this video, we'll show you how to leverage Twilio for seamless and cost-effective international calls, opening doors to global business growth in just a few simple steps. First, you will need to sign up for a Twilio account and purchase a Twilio phone number. Make sure you choose a number with international calling capabilities. Now that you are set up with an account, it's time to configure the Twilio API for making international calls. Navigate to the programmable voice section in your Twilio dashboard. You'll use the Twilio API to initiate calls from your application. Now, let's talk about some important considerations. Keep in mind international calling rates vary by country. Be sure to check Twilio's pricing for each destination to manage your costs effectively. Also, ensure you comply with local regulations and calling restrictions in the countries you're calling. Finally, consider optimizing your calls for the best quality. Test your connection and audio settings. Twilio provides tools and documentation to help you monitor and improve call quality. By following these steps, you can create strong relationships with your clients all over the world. You are now ready to make international calls with Twilio. It's time to take your business global. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Twilio tips and tricks.